And this is Computex 2018 out at the Corsair suite at the Grand Hyatt.
Okay, so iCue is our new software.
Yeah.
We used to have a different software for our keyboards, mice and headsets, like
yeah.
the range, and one software for our components.
So this thing now controls all your RGB stuff, right? So from the keyboard, all the other stuff, right?
Yeah, so it's now merged into one, and you can control everything. So you can see that the lighting is actually flowing through all the components and the peripherals. It's a really cool bit of software. Not only does it do monitoring, it does lighting, effects, and it interacts with your system in a whole different way.
All right, so from the software I can control the lighting effects from the keyboard, mice, headset, all RGB fans, all the way onto the motherboard, RAM, the RGB strips as well as your water block here. You got that thing going on there, so that's all good. All right, so this is something new that this year. It's available now. You can download it as long as it has this iCue compatibility with all your products.
We've got 1,629 products compatible.
Oh wow! Okay, okay.
A fair few.
So you got this a wall that we've seen. What's that wall that I want to see? This the fan wall. You want to show us?
Yeah, the fan wall's over here.
Shall we have a take a look?
They canceled it last minute because they were like.
So we have this fan wall built by Corsair with the fans. This is all the magnetic levitation fans, right?
No, these are the LL fans.
LL fans.
90 to 120mm LL fans.
Right.
It's great to stand in front of because it's nice and cool.
It's cool. It's nice and cool. Yeah, I like that.
Here we're just showing off the different lighting patterns you can do on the LL fans. As you can see, there's hundreds of different variations.
Nice. This is all controlled using your the
controllable through iCue.
Nice, nice. And those are the ones we've seen before. You got the fan series, you got the LL series, the ML Pro series, and also the H115i Pro. That one we reviewed with the fans. I've actually taken the fans off and put some RGB fans instead. Yeah, cool. All right, the 150 is the 360.
Yes.
Right, okay, cool. All right, show us some of your chassis. You got some new stuff, your chassis. All right, okay, cool, let's go. So this is
280X.
new 280X.
Brand new 280X has just been released.
It's a white chassis with tempered glass front, top and side.
Yeah, it's an M80X chassis. It's the first one we've done for quite a few years. Available in white and in black over there.
Okay.
It comes in an RGB version, non-RGB version. So the RGB version has two LL fans as standard for the lighting mode.
Yeah.
And the non-RGB has just plain case fans, no RGB at all.
Okay, so suitable for the micro HX motherboard.
Yeah, it's really cool. You can fit a 280mm radiator in the top, or a 240 in the top, 240 in the front, and 240 in the bottom.
Right, nice.
Obviously not if you have SLI.
Yeah. So what's the retail price on one of these?
It's about 174 bucks for the RGB.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. And available in the white and the black.
Yes.
On the market right now.
Yes, on the market right now.
Okay. And this other stuff we have here.
Yeah. So we've got our Dream PC set up.
Oh, this is the one we saw last time, right?
Yeah. So this is like. We tried to have our aspirational build, so there's a lot of Twitch streamers out there, a lot of content creators. With the 1000D, you can incorporate two systems. So you've got a full ATX system for gaming, and then you've got an MATX system in the bottom or an ITX system in the bottom for rendering.
Yeah, rendering, or maybe I'll do a bit of streaming, things like that. One for gaming. So you have two systems in there. Yeah. And this is all powered by one power supply.
Two power supplies.
Two power supplies in there.
There's an AX1600i for the main system,
right.
and there's an SF.
The small power supply in there.
Factor in the back as well.
Okay, cool. And that fits the two motherboards. And I noticed you have a massive cooling in there as well, with a dual reservoir and a huge radiator as well.
Yeah, three of them.
Three of them, crazy. Okay, so this demonstrates the streaming capability as well as the gaming at the same time. Cool. And something I've seen last year, but I'm really interested in getting out of stock all the time. This is the wireless keyboard, the short one, right? This is the K63, yeah? And we have it right here.
No,
that's the wide version.
Yeah.
So the wide version. All right, okay, we'll take a look at that. This is the wide version, but you can see it's compact. It's got a nice brushed aluminium kind of finish to it. This is the case, the kind of keyboard I want. So we'll take a look at the wireless version in the other room. Okay, so this other chassis you have, the new one. 1 second. So this is the Obsidian series 500 RGB, 500D RGB, right?
500D RGB, so it's the same as the 500D that we launched a couple months back. Main difference is it's got tempered glass front panel.
Yeah.
It comes with 3 LL fans, and it also has a Commander Pro pre-installed in the back of it.
All right. Oh, both panels slide out to give you the access to all of the areas inside the chassis. So at the back here, you can see you can put the 2 3.5-inch drives as well as SSDs here. You've got the controller right there for all your RGB and fan controllers, right?
Yeah, and
temperature sensors. Nice, easy accessible on this panel. Tempered glass in the front there, 3 LL120 fans, and then also on this side then we have access to a full-size ATX motherboard. We've got cable management, holes right here, PSU cover, nice. Here you can actually put a nice large radiator and pump. Notice here you've got the vertical PCI slots there for your graphics card configuration if you wanted that way. Nice. When is it on the market?
It's on the market now.
Right now?
Yep.
Cool.
It was released on the 4th.
Excellent. So that's available right now from Corsair. It's the Obsidian 500D RGB. Right. Okay, over here then. Let's have a look. This is some of your new RAM, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a second.
We're a bit full of them.
So full. All right, so Pascal, what have we got here?
This is the Vengeance RGB Pro. It's our latest RGB RAM. It's super cool. Unlike our last RAM, it's got 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs on top of it.
So inside here you have 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs in here.
Yeah, per stick.
Per stick, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
It's got the new, more exposed light bar, so you can see more light. It has a quite a good optical illusion from the side. It looks like it's bigger. So if you look over, it's actually quite thin, but because of the way that we've made it, it's actually a lot bigger.
Right, I got you. So the LED effect of the RGB lighting
Gives
looks
away more light, 50% more light.
right. So this is the Vengeance RGB Pro.
Yeah.
What's the speed on them?
So the speed goes from 2666 up to 4000 at the moment in retail. What we're showing off here is actually 4700 megahertz.
4700 megahertz. So that's an overclocked version right now.
Yes, actually, this is actually running a standard speed.
Standard speed.
Yeah.
Wow.
4700. It's available in probably about end of July.
End of July.
Yeah.
So a Q3 looking at. Again, this is syncable with all your software, the iCue.
Yeah. This is part of iCue as well, so it runs in part of iCue.
Right.
What's also really cool is you can
Using the software.
you can use the software. You can change all the lighting effects, and so you see now visors running. You can also hit
Individual sticks to do different things.
individual sticks if you want to do like different effects. You can pick static color and one does visor, for example.
All right.
So you can do all sorts of stuff.
So basically fully programmable to do whatever lighting effects you want.
Exactly.
All right. So we have
So
a.
pick the direction that you want the lights to go
Also
in.
going back and forth, up and down.
Yeah, indeed. It's really cool.
Right, nice. So this is all controlled on the software. I think we have a demonstration kind of wall on here with all the lighting effects.
So there are all the different lighting effects you can have behind you there.
Okay. So let's take a look at some of the lighting effects here. Check this out. We have 6 sets of DDR4, the Vengeance Pro RGB, with all the lighting effects. This is standard lighting effects that come with it, all right?
That's 6 of them. Those 6 there.
Yeah, spiral,
12.
visor, ring, color, wave, and the marquee. That's all right there. As standard lighting effects, and obviously you can program more using the iCue software.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, that's interesting. End of July, Q3, right?
These are available now up to 4000. End of July is 4700.
All right. So the higher speeds, Q3, right now they're available from the 2600, 66 all the way to 4000.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And some power supplies.
Yes, power supply.
Okay, let's take a look. Power supplies. All right, this is SFX.
Yeah. So this is the SF600. It's the same range that you've seen before. You've got the SF450, the SF600, small form factor power supply. We've reinvented it from gold to up to platinum.
This is platinum?
Yeah, this is a platinum efficiency power supply. We've also included in the box single braid cables and the bracket for ATX cases.
Right, so this has 80 plus platinum and, efficiency with modular. SFX format with individually sleeved cables. There's a quick showcase here, look, all that. Look at that, very nice, especially good for cable management. And then it also comes with a bracket, so you can put it into a standard size ETX form case bracket there. Nice. Okay, 650 watts, right?
600 watts.
600 watt and 450.
Yeah.
Okay,
really,
these are
really super good power.
these ones are going to be very popular. I can see a lot of system integrators building these for mini PCs and things like that. All right, these are the ones. What's these ones?
This one's a Vengeance. Originally we sold these in Germany.
Right.
And the reason we sold them in Germany is they actually have a 12-volt rail that you can switch between single and multi.
All right. So most power supplies are either a single volt rail or twin, right?
Yeah.
But now you can actually switch here. If you look at that, there's a switch between 12 volt single or then obviously multiple, right? So yeah, you got the obviously modular right there. Again, single volt or multiple there. 12 rail. So that gives you more stability on the 12 volt line. Good for overclocking and things like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
80 plus silver efficiency, all Japanese capacitors, 5-year warranty, and semi-modular. It's a great little
PSU for system. This is the 650. So again, available in the 650 and also 750. Again, available on the market right now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, nice. I like the SFX, the SF600 and 450. These are really intriguing power supplies. That will give me more space inside the chassis to increase the airflow and so on. Great.